Yo, I think is an abandoned metro station. Should we go in, guys?
I guess, sure.
It seems a bit sketchy, but I'm coming for fun.
Oh, come on, it's blocked. Mason, can you try open it so we can enter?
I guess I can try it.
Great job. This is gigantic, isn't it?
I agree.
I mean, what do you expect? Is a metro station.
Hey, I guess that's true.
Now this place is badly damaged.
I agree. I can't believe that the guy that made this hall is gone to waste.
I know, I feel so bad right now.
Hold up, where's Mason?
He said he would get something from the car. Don't worry, he will come back.
Well, okay.
Oh my goodness, how damaged is this station, bro?
Oh my god, there's a dead body.
Holy, this is getting creepy already, dude. Let's just keep going.
Oh, okay.
Wow, there's even nature here.
Let's just sprint. We don't really have time for this.
Alright.
Okay, I'm a bit tired. Let's keep walking instead.
Alright, well there's even derailed metro trains.
Yeah, this is kinda cool and creepy at the same time.
Couldn't agree more till now.
I bet there's more dead bodies in these trains. Well, I was wrong.
Of course you're wrong.
Oh, shut up. It's not like you know better. Bro, how many dead bodies are there?
Even here.
Oh, a door.
Let's go inside and check it out.
For God's sake, I can't fit. I might try to break the door open. And where the hell is Mason?
I don't really know. He said he would come back, but let's just ignore that. Try to break the door.
Alright, let's go.
Okay, wow, there's a lot of nature here.
I agree. I think this station was from the 1800s, I think.
I guess that could be right.
Well, let's just go back down.
I agree. He's getting late. We should go back home.
What about Mason?
Forget it. He might just went home already anyway. Maybe he was a bit scared.
For real, what a scaredy cat. What the? Bro, Alex.
What?
I saw a figure there.
Dude, there's no one there. You're hallucinating.
I am not.
I'm tired of this. I'ma just go search for items.
Bro, you just don't believe me? Come on, dude. Dang it. What the hell? I see it again. Come over here, you bastard. What the hell? How did it just disappear like that? I am going back to Alex. Alex. Alex.
Oh my god, dude. What do you want?
Bro, I saw the monster again, behind the tree.
Bro, what do you mean? There's nothing there. It's just hallucinations.
I swear it's not hallucinations.
Bro, it is. These ghosts or figures aren't real.
Then why did I see one?
Fine then. Show me where.
Follow me. He was right behind this tree, then disappeared.
Dude, I promise you it's just hallucinations or imaginations.
It is not, it's real, but you just don't see it.
How can I see it if there's no proof?
How do I show you proof if it disappears when I tell you is there?
Look bro, this is bullcrap that you're talking about right now.
I am not talking about crap, I swear.
I should have believed you at the start.
What do you mean by that? Oh crap. What do we do?
Run away.
Dude, I'm scared.
I know, but just shut up and don't make a noise.
Phew, that was a close one, but now we have to get out of here.
But how? That figure is a maniac and might kill us or eat us.
Let's just try to go slowly.
Okay. Bro, I'm scared though.
We have to, or else we will be stuck here and die. Just go slowly. Don't make a noise, cause he doesn't see us now.
Are you sure this is a good idea?
Oh no. Run. Run as fast as you can, don't look back.
Wait for me, damn it.
Oh crap, is a dead end.